All right, so Wes and I wrestled the radiator in, and now that it's high efficiency, it's a little bit thicker than it used to be in the core. So when we mocked it up with the hoses and everything, with the original spacers, she was touching the fan clutch. So we got some spacers, spaced it out how we want it, everything clears. Then our next problem would be, can't get the radiator cap on up here at the little trap door to fill the radiator. So, little engineering, little grinder, and we had to clearance that out. So that's good to go now. So we're gonna be filling the coolant up. All our hoses are hooked up. Everything's hooked that needs to be hooked. We just have this on here. We don't even know if we're gonna use this intake yet or not. But we have it on here, one, so it doesn't suck up the dirt and scuzz and any dust from doing a little woodworking. And so it has a nice clean source of air. Everything's wired, everything's looking good. I'm just adding some fluid to the trans. I'm gonna check the level in the power steering, and then we're gonna add coolant, which is gonna take a little while. But once that's in and we mount our puke tank, we're gonna be running today. All right. We had to get creative with an expansion tank because the one that came on here no longer fits with our options. So we got creative. It's real tight between the alternator, but it's good. We're gonna crank the motor over a little bit, get the cooling system to burp a little, and away we go. All right, we're set, we're full. I'm gonna leave the cap off the expansion tank. Coil's hooked up. Wes, are you ready?
Yeah, you want to double check that oil?
Yeah.
Don't want it to seize up.
Oh no, it's full. Could stand to use some. All right. Fire in the hole.